Engine mountings replace, and now this side is right side in that one, and this is interesting mounting because there is this vibration element in here, and this is really interesting because this part eliminates this body's vibration. And let's go to take then this part away. And I start this replace so that I take firstly this minus cable away, what is in here, and then that bolt in this area. And I need this 10mm socket and wrench, and then I remove this bolt in here, that bolt. This bolt opens easily, even that this is almost 15 years old. And now I install this bolt back, and now this cable is free, and then I can open next bolt. And then I need 14mm socket, 1/4, what fits in this nut in here, that one. And then there is another nut in that side, but I open first this nut in here. Okay, and for that opening I need now a little bit longer bar, because this nut is tight, and now I start to open, and this is really a little bit tight nut, but now it rotates nicely. And then I can use my fingers, and then this wrench in that way. Okay, and then we can look closer. And there we can see this nut, and I continue this opening. And this is quite long nut, and now I can use my fingers, and this is really long specific bolt, and it looks nice. And then in this another side in here there is similar bolt in this position. And I need to open also that bolt in here. And this another bolt is a little bit in that area, but same idea, and then little bit movement in that way, and this nut opens nicely. And then I continue this nut opening. I take my solder wrench, and there is also, this nut is long, little bit rotation, and this nut opens also in here, and this is long bolt in here, we can see that in there. And then third bolt area is in here, and there is also this 14mm socket bolt, and I open that one, and this is also type bolt, and now I can use my fingers, and there is this long bolt, and it looks like that, and it is really specific bolt. And now we can see that this is really big bolt and long, but now I have taken it away. And then when I have removed these 3 bolts, 1, 2 and 3, then I can move, and I can remove this right up engine mounting. And in same time we can also inspect this mounting, and there is really important that these parts, these rubber elements, they are free and there is no any holes or fractures in here. That one looks good, and also in that area, this area must be solid. And in my case, these both areas looks good, excellent. And this right mounting is good and operational. Ignition coils. Then I need to take these ignition coils cables out, and they are in here. And let's go to look at how I open these connectors and also these coils. And there we can see those coils, and there are cables, and I need to press that area and then pull out these cables, and then these cables opens nicely. And then when I take these coils away, what are in here, I need for that opening now 10 mm socket, and when I remove this bolt in here, in that way, and then I can use my fingers. Bolt opens, and then a little bit movement, and this coil is free in there. And then when I take these coils away, this continues so that I only remove this locking bolt in here in that way, and then little bit rotation and pull out this coil. Okay, and then I take all of these coils away in that area. And then I have opened this bolt and that bolt, and then these cables are easy to open, and I remove these coils that way.